Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing video and it'll be the first ever video on this channel, so yeah. So, today's item we are revealing is a very special watch. It's a limited edition watch which is a collaboration between Nismo and Edifice. Starting from the head of the watch, you have this interior where you made it look like carbon fiber, and then you got these two red bezels here which are actually a resemblance of this GTR rear lights. Yeah, the two circles, and you got this like a color wave which is to resemble the titanium exhaust, and you even have the word Nismo written here going on. The strap of the watch is to resemble the tires of the car, and it's really quite nice to touch, to be honest. There's actually quite some detail to it. You know, it's not just flat. There's some detail, as you can see from here. And then you also have the word Nismo here. You got two buckles to buckle up the watch, or whatever called safety harnesses. I don't know, but yeah. And then if we go on to the inside of the watch, we have the number 23 written here, Nissan's racing number. If you're wondering why 23 and what does it mean, 23 means Nissan in Japanese, 2 means Ni, and 3 means Sun. So it's kind of a joke to play with, I guess. And you got the words Edifice written there too. And this watch is apparently solar powered by Casio, as it's shown here. Edifice, Nismo, Casio, solar. So in any artificial light or real light source, it will start moving, and yeah, it doesn't need a battery. It's solar powered. And yeah, that's about it. If we put it on, it's quite an interesting watch. Put it on here if I can get it on. Let me see, hold on. Get it on there we go. And you know, you sometimes when you wear watches, this buckle things, they tend to slip off. Like they're supposed to keep the extended strap on so that it doesn't come out, but Edifice has made a bump here so that it doesn't come out. So as you can see, yeah. So I would say that this watch is a really interesting watch and quite nice to have.